Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. We are back on this camera that I hate. We're back with this snaggletooth. I don't know why this camera accentuates this little tooth that I have. Like, I don't understand. But we're back on this camera because I broke my Canon. It's back at Geek Squad. And I was trying to hold off so long because I was in my little, deep down inside my heart, I was hoping that the camera would just come back in a week, you know? Even though they did tell me it would be fixed in 2 to 3 weeks, I was just like, okay, maybe it'll be done in the week. Like, I have high hopes, and then I can record like normal. But no, it's still not back. I really need to wash my hair. So I'm just gonna use this camera to film my straight to curly hair routine. And don't mind the mess in the background because I just woke up and I still have to make my bed. This video is definitely going to be more like vlog style, super chill. I do have a few things that I make sure that I do in order to get the best curls when I revert my hair back to curly. Okay, so it has been 11 days since I washed my hair. I feel like I want to make my bed right now because this is not really cute. Okay, so it's been 11 days since I washed my hair. The longest I've gone in a long time without washing my hair. My scalp is so itchy. I want to like rip my hair out. And I was trying to wait, but I cannot take it any longer. Plus, I keep waking up and I have like these little white head pimples on my face. And I'm pretty sure it's because my hair is so dirty and I actually don't remember the last time I wore a bonnet to sleep. So yeah, I just need to wash my hair because the little pimples are low-key giving me PTSD. If you know, you know. I was on Accutane and the moment I see one pimple, I just have like memories of when my skin was horrible. And yeah, I just don't want that to happen again. So that alone is enough for me to want to wash my hair. I also should probably start wearing a bonnet again. So on top of all the oils I already have on my scalp, since I haven't washed it in so long, I did go ahead last night and put some more oil. I use this rosemary mint oil from Mielle. I love this one so much. I always show you guys this one. I put this in my scalp and also put it throughout my hair. Just did a quick little brush through and massage, and then I threw it up in a bun. So my hair is super greasy right now. Like, it doesn't even move, like it's just there. And I'm gonna start the process today by just running my brush through my hair once again. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle again. Everything should be pretty much detangled, but this also feels really good on my scalp, and it's kind of like the kickstart. It's like a little bit of stimulation to the scalp before you really get things going. And this brush feels so nice on my scalp. I've been using this one forever as well. This is the Cantu mini tangle buster, and it has like this really nice curve, so it feels and hugs your scalp really nicely. So next thing I'm going to be using is this scalp treatment from Aromas. This is a liquid purifying shampoo. It helps with dandruff, psoriasis and dermatitis. It helps cleanse and reduce the sebum on the scalp. I have a lot of sebum on my scalp right now. I have a lot of buildup, I have a lot of flakes and dandruff, and I really need a deep cleanse. My scalp has not been this dirty in a very long time, so, and it just bubbles up like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my scalp. I love the tingling feeling you get with this, and you can feel it working because I believe it has peppermint and tea tree oil in it, so it just feels super nice. I'm just going to use my fingertips to massage that a little bit. So this is really going to take care of my scalp needs. This is definitely going to help remove all the buildup and extra oils and just ensure that I have a clean, fresh slate so that I have a really good wash day. Scalp treatment is in. As you guys can see, I did not run it through the rest of my hair. I only kept that on my scalp. Next, I'm going to go in with my bond repair. This is the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. Before I do this though, I am going to dampen my hair just a little bit. So this is a protein-rich bonding treatment. It helps bring the strength and elasticity back into your hair. It really helps bring your curls back to life if you have weak or damaged hair or even color-treated hair that needs like a little bit extra TLC. This is really good. It's kind of similar to the Olaplex, I believe Olaplex number 3, but this one is protein based. I'm just applying a generous amount of this all over my hair. Taking these extra steps when you're reverting your hair back to curly is going to help repair any damage that may have occurred when you did straighten your hair. So if you want to, or whenever you do straighten your curly hair, don't be so scared about the damage that is gonna occur. Instead, try to take steps to prevent it or fix it so that you don't have to deal with damaged curls when you revert back. Obviously, if you're a serial straightener, you straighten your hair all the time, it's gonna be different for you. But in my case, my hair is pretty healthy. I don't generally straighten my hair. This is only the second time I straightened my hair this year, so I feel like my hair is really resilient to heat at this point because I don't use it often, and I take really good care of my hair when it's curly and just in general. So I'm gonna leave this treatment on my hair for probably 30 minutes or so. I'm probably gonna go eat some breakfast because I'm starving. I'm just gonna clip it up in my little clip. I'm gonna leave this on for half an hour. I'm gonna jump in the shower, rinse it off. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going to use in the shower. I probably won't show you guys any shower scenes, but I'll show you guys what I end up using. Also, I'm not sure what styling products I want to use because I do want to use new ones that I received. I got 2 packages from different brands, but I also want to make sure I have a really good wash day, so I might just use the stuff that I always use. But for my in-shower routine, I am going to be using the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. I really like the applicator on this because it really gets into your scalp. It's like a pointed tip applicator. This is like a gentle cleanse, but it also gives you like a really good cleanse, and I really love this. And of course, I will be using my little shampoo massager. This is a must. I talked about this in my curly hair growth video, how scalp massagers are everything when you want to grow your hair out. They really help stimulate your scalp and also help remove any buildup. And then I'm also going to be using the matching Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight conditioner. This is the, what is this one called? This is the Jelly to Cream conditioner. This stuff is amazing and makes detangling your hair so easy. I guess while I have this in my hair, I'm gonna show you guys the 2 packages that were sent to me from this one brand called LUS. And then I also got this other package. This one was a big one from Cantu. I was so happy about this because I love the avocado collection. And I don't care what anybody says about Cantu. Cantu will always hold a special place in my heart. I feel like there's so much bad talk about the brand, but I have never had an issue with their products ever. You know, I'm not like the ingredient police. I guess some people are really particular about their ingredients. I was in the beginning, but not really, because I didn't really know what I was doing anyway. I was just using what made my hair look good, what made my hair feel good. And Cantu was one of the brands that really helped get my curly hair journey started. And I was so happy when they reached out to me to send me a box of goodies, especially for their avocado collection, because it's one of my favorites. So they ended up sending me this huge package in PR, which I was obsessed with and did not expect this much stuff. But this cute little head wrap, I haven't tried anything in it yet because I wanted to show you guys on video and I never got the chance to before my camera broke. This is a hydrating refresher spray with avocado, honey, and marshmallow. It moisturizes and refreshes curls. I also got this avocado hair milk, which I'm excited to try. I think it's similar, but I do think it is different than the curl activator cream, which I love, so I'm excited to try this. I also got this mousse, which mousse is one of my favorite products to use on my hair. I love using mousse and foam, so I'm gonna see how this works. And then we got some more oils, which I'm very excited about because I'm all about oils. This one has rosemary in it. You guys know rosemary is a great ingredient for hair growth. And then I got some new brushes. I got a little bristle brush and a detangling brush. And I forgot about this here, but what is this? A mask? It is, yeah, a moisture mask. So I'll be using that. I could have probably used this today. I should have opened this up, but I think the bond curl is going to be really helpful since my hair was straightened. And then lastly, I do have a little edge brush, which I have one of these already, but it's always helpful to have more than one. Okay, and then now on to this brand that I was kind of confused by. I guess the brand is actually called Love Yourself, which makes more sense why it says LUS. And this is just a curly hair line called Love Your Curls. That makes way more sense. So my bad, I did not read. Apparently I did not read, but I'm really excited to try this. This is a sea moss gel, and I've never seen anything like it. It has a tab inside, so I can't even see the consistency of it, but it says it's made with Irish sea moss, acai, aloe vera, passion fruit oil, and rice bran oil. So I am really excited to try this. And just the bottle itself, you guys obviously probably cannot tell, but it's like this really cool suede material. It feels so cool. Like, it feels very intriguing and interesting, and I want to try it out. And then I also got this 3-in-1 product, which is supposed to be a one-and-done styler. It repairs, hydrates, and styles. So yeah, I'm gonna let this bond repair sit on my hair for a little bit longer. I'm gonna jump in the shower and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm fresh out the shower. I was just detangling a little bit more. My hair feels pretty good, and I actually think I wasn't going to, but I think I am going to try out the LUS products. Yeah, and I guess it should be quicker than my normal routine since it's a 3-in-1 product. But before I style, I am going to apply a little bit of this leave-in scalp care spray, also from Aromas, because I just feel like my scalp really needs some extra TLC. I'm going to kind of part my hair to make sure I really get it on my scalp. So I'm going to start styling. I'm going to go in with this 3-in-1 product. I really wish it gave me more info on like what it actually was, because the back doesn't really say. When it says 3-in-1, I'm thinking like, okay, a cream gel mousse situation, but it doesn't really elaborate. It just says the directions, how to apply it on wet hair, rake and smooth through your hair, squeeze and scrunch. And it does say put an end to layering multiple products on your hair, repair, hydrate, and style your hair all in one easy step. It says it'll leave your curls looking beautiful, feeling soft, and smelling incredible. So I don't know, it's just not like giving me the info that I really want right now, and I'm tempted to put a leave-in conditioner in beforehand, but I really just want to see how these two work on their own. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair. We're just gonna go for it. Hopefully this wasn't a waste of a wash day, but let's just get into it and let's see how it comes out. If you guys see me looking over here, I'm also trying to record for TikTok, so I'm recording on my phone. I'm a multitasking queen. But it does have shea butter and moringa oil. Okay, so it's definitely a creamy consistency and it's pretty runny. Ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna like the scent. You guys know I'm not a fan of really strong scents unless it's like coconut. I feel like coconut is the only one that I can stand. This has a very like a floral scent. I feel like I much rather have fragrance-free products or just products that aren't so strong, or just have like that fresh clean scent like aloe vera or something like that. But we're gonna apply this. Hopefully the scent doesn't linger too long, and hopefully when it's dry it'll kind of fade away. So far I feel like my hair looks good. It looks normal, like it looks as good as it normally does, but I don't know if I like the way that it feels for some reason. I've just been raking it through and scrunching, and then also using my detangling brush to spread the product out as well. The detangling brush also helps define my curls a little bit, not as much as a tangle teaser would, but I do like the way my curls look when I run that brush through my hair as well. Just running my detangling brush through my hair, and then I'll scrunch it. Also, I just realized you guys could probably hear the guys mowing the lawn outside. So sorry. Next, I'm gonna go in with the sea moss gel. It does say it has a medium hold and frizz and humidity control. So we're gonna put that to the test today. I'm probably gonna film like for a few hours after I actually do my hair to see how my hair holds up. So I think I'm gonna apply this without separating. I'm gonna use the praying hands method and just apply it and scrunch it all over. I'm really excited to see how this feels, how this looks, how it works on my hair, how it smells. Ew. Ooh. I mean, it just looks like regular gel. It's pretty runny. So far, I like the way that it made my curls look. Let's go ahead and put it on the other side. Okay, so I am done applying all the products. So far, it looks okay. I do have some wet frizz. I hate this camera so much. I feel like it just blurs everything and tries to make everything look perfect when it's not. So I feel like you guys can't really see like truly what I'm seeing when I use this camera, but I do have like a little bit of wet frizz. I don't know if it's because of the way I apply the products. Maybe my hair wasn't damp enough or wet enough, but I'm just gonna let it do its thing and we're gonna see how it turns out. Okay, so this is my hair, probably like 50-60% dry. I'm gonna go ahead and start diffusing. The gel though, it did leave a little bit of a cast, like a pretty good cast. It's not too hard, but it's pretty firm, and I feel like that's gonna help a lot with the frizz. So I'm gonna go ahead and start diffusing my curls. These curls are pretty much 100% dry and they're looking really good. I'm honestly so happy to have my curls back. I do still have a little bit of that cast, so I'm just gonna go ahead and break that up using some oil. I'm gonna use the Cantu oil I showed you guys earlier. This one is avocado, flaxseed, and rosemary. It says it's for scalp and hair, and there's no mineral oil in it, so I guess that's a good thing, but it says you can apply it liberally to your scalp and on dry hair as needed for moisture and shine. That smells really good. I don't even know what it smells like particularly, but it's really subtle. And also I really appreciate how the scent from the product that I use on my hair, it basically went away. Like I don't feel like I smell it at all compared to when I was applying it. It seemed like it was really strong. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this oil in my hands and then scrunch through my hair and also fluff it out a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit more of that in my hands. Actually, I put quite a lot. I've been watching a lot of Too Hot to Handle, and they have a bunch of like UK and South African accents, and I keep catching myself trying to talk with an accent. Like I wish I had an accent so bad, like a little British accent or whatever. And I didn't realize South Africans have an accent like that either, but I love their accents, and Australians as well. Okay, so these are pretty much my final results, which it doesn't look bad at all. I actually do like the way my hair came out. I feel like I've had better definition days, you know, but obviously that could be a combination of the fact that my hair was just straightened and I tried new products, and so I don't really know what the deal is at the moment. I definitely will be trying these out again because I feel like they deserve another try. Also, you guys can see that my hair has basically just faded out to this nice brown color, which I really do like, but I have made an appointment to color my hair once again on September 15th, so I'm really excited for that. Anyway, I'll be back in a little bit for a hair update, and I'll make sure to link everything that I've used so far down in the description box below. It's a few hours later. It's probably like 4 hours later, and this is what my hair is looking like. It's kind of frizzy up here, but not too bad. But for this being the first day, I feel like it's just gonna get worse, so that's kind of one little negative thing. But besides that, my curls look really good. And this is gonna be the end of the video. So definitely give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.